Hello everyone, today we'll talk about the 10 peso coins of the Philippines. But before we continue, please subscribe to my channel, Jose TV3. Okay, let's continue. Okay guys, this is the 10 peso coins of the Philippines year 2000. This coin is considered as a millennium coin. On the obverse of this coin, you will see here the portrait of Apolinario Mabini and Andres Bonifacio. And on the lower side, there is a 2000. And on the upper side, you will see here the Republika ng Pilipinas, and this one is the 10 peso. Now, I will show you the reverse of this coin. This is the reverse of this coin. You will see here the logo of the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, and on the lower side, you will see here in 1993, and on the upper side, you will see here the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. Okay, let's continue. The year 2000 Philippine 10 peso coin was released by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas as a special millennium. It is a country's very first bimetallic coin featuring national heroes Apolinario Mabini and Andres Bonifacio. Now let's talk about the coin details. Composition: bimetallic nickel brass center and a copper nickel ring. Obverse features the conjoined profiles of Andres Bonifacio and Apolinario Mabini. Reverse bears the seal of the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. Originally minted in year 2000 as a commemorative piece. It was officially released for generally circulated in July 2001 to replace the 10 peso banknote. Okay, now let's talk about the value. For standard circulated year 2000 coins, the value remains strictly at its face value of 10 pesos. However, pristine and uncirculated condition, especially those in original packaging, may carry a slightly premium among numismatics and local collectors on platform like Carousel. Okay guys, I'm not sure if this coin is a collectible or not. Only the collectors will tell you if this is a collectible or not. And of course, I will not mention any value of this coin because the collector will tell you the value of this coin, because the value of your coin, it depends on the condition of your coin. If you have a pristine if your coin is in pristine condition, of course the value of your coin is much higher. Anyway, before I end, please subscribe to my channel, Jose TV3. Thank you.